ptarmigan.
And some rabbits, maybe.
Ribbits.
And first, we're gonna walk around until we find them.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna shoot them.
Yeah.
And then our bird dogs here are gonna go grab them for us.
And then they're gonna retrieve them, unless they fall down. Kenneth, what do you have there in front of you?
Kenneth? A giant cheeseburger.
What's on that burger, Kenneth?
Excuse me.
Is it bacon?
Well, there is a lot of bacon.
What's on your burger, Marcus?
Bacon.
What's on your burger?
Mushrooms.
Oh.
Ew. That's sad.
And Swiss cheese.
Oh.
That's sad.